Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. As always, hope you guys had a fantastic day of trading today. And again, want to start off the video by saying thank you to all the viewers out there, all of the subscribers. Immensely appreciate all the support on the channel. If you guys like the content, if you guys like the video series, feel free to like, share. And if you are not a subscriber, think about subscribing. Would immensely appreciate it. And if you guys are subscribers, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. Today, just want to quickly come back to IBM here. I did a dividend capture last week. If we go to the bottom, we'll see some of my trades I made. So back on November 8th there, you see I made a limit buy, 65 shares, 151.70. And after I made that buy, the price of the stock did come back a bit. If we go back to the front chart here, you can see over the last week and last month here, you can definitely see it was trending down a bit after I jumped into the stock. Was not able to immediately get out of that dividend capture. But today, as you can see here, it responded very nicely at one point, up almost 2%, 1.8, 1.96 or so. Just to remind you guys as well, on the bottom, you see the pending dividend. This was the reason I bought the stock, was to capture this dividend here. You can see 66 shares, $1.50, $99, and it's 66 because I already had a share from before. So definitely picked up a nice dividend there. And the price of the stock, again, rebounded very, very nicely. Was able to put a limit buy in really right at this mark here. You can see the stock jumped up to 151.90 or so. So went ahead and put in a limit sell. You can see that order here on the 20th, 65 shares, 151.75 to pick up that dividend. Again, $1.50 per share, $99.65 for the dividend capture, as well as the share I had left over. So very, very good trade, in and out. Very, very much like the way I did that. Took a little bit more time than I would have wanted to get out of the stock, but IBM I think is an okay longer term buy. So if I was not able to get out of the stock, more than happy to hold it longer term. And most of you guys already know that I only jump into stocks to do this dividend capture type of strategy, and stocks I'm more than willing to hold for the longer term. Definitely don't do this for high risk penny stocks. I do it once in a while for some business development companies, but they are some of the companies that I have followed for quite some time, so I am comfortable with those companies. But again, this is a very risky type of strategy. It doesn't always work out in the investor's favor. As you can see here, I had to wait a couple weeks before I could get out of the stock. And really during that time, the capital is tied up, not able to use that for other dividend capture strategies. But if you put your money into a stock that is okay or even good for a buy and hold longer term strategy, you don't really have to worry about that money. You can simply let it sit, and over time you can go for longer term capital appreciation via a swing trade or a very, very long-term buy and hold stock, one that you would hold for many years, if not 5 to 10 years plus. So just wanted to update you guys again on a dividend capture with IBM. On the trade itself, I only made about $2 or $3, but on the dividend capture, I made $99. So overall, it's about $102, $103 trade with the dividend capture incorporated into it. And as you guys know, I'll be continuing to post some of these videos. I know a lot of the viewers out there like to see these types of videos, not only when I jump into the stocks, but also when I complete the capture and I am able to sell off the stock. So I'm going to continue doing these. If you guys like these videos, please let me know. And I'm also going to be posting the stocks I'm taking a look at personally, not recommending any of these stocks to anybody. I know there's been some viewers on the channel suggesting I'm recommending stocks that are not good stocks, but this is what I'm doing with the portfolio. This is what I am doing investing, not necessarily what you should do. I'm not even advocating that you follow in my footsteps, but this is what I'm doing with the portfolio, and I'm just soliciting some feedback on if it's a good strategy or not. That's really the whole point of this video series, is to kind of follow along with my portfolio, what I'm doing as an individual investor, to kind of see if it is in correlation with what you guys are doing or it's completely different. And just doing some networking and having a little bit of fun trading and making some money. So that's the whole point of the video series. Again, if you guys like these videos, please let me know. I'll continue posting these types of videos. And again, you guys have been giving me great stock picks for future upcoming dividend stocks, dividend capture, swing trading stocks, please keep those coming. I definitely appreciate those stocks and just what you're doing with your portfolio. It's very interesting to hear what you guys are doing with your portfolios as well. So kind of with that, I don't want to make the video too long. I'll kind of end it here. Again, if you guys like the video series, if you like the content, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed so far. And make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. So kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.